everyone, my name is Phoebe and this is the fourth segment of Navigate With Me, a step-by-step guide on how to use the Alpha Impact platform. So for today, we're going to be learning how to whitelist your IP addresses. So now look at this. Since it's unrestricted now, you just need to put edit restrictions. Scroll down, click restrict access to trusted IPs only, and you just copy the IP address on the code, click confirm, and after that take the other one and then just put it in here and click confirm, and then all you have to do is click save. And you have to put in your code, and that's it. So after entering the code, just wait for it to submit. And there we go, that's how you whitelist our IP address. It's as simple as that to make sure you have a convenient life in accessing our Alpha Impact platform. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and guide, and I'll see you for the next episode. Bye!